when unease or disappointment is present, simply become aware and notice those feelings and emotions if you can. When unease or disappointment or any emotions are present, usually there's a thought to accompany them. Now, if there isn't a thought to accompany them, or you're unaware of a thought, I'm going to encourage you to sit with it and notice. Notice the emotion. Be aware of it. Don't try and change it. Don't try and think about it and, make sense of it. But simply notice it. And through being present with it, within a matter of time, at some point, that emotion, that feeling will move past, it will move through. It's only when we begin to attach thought to that feeling that feeling will remain with us for longer periods of time, that feeling will get compounded, if you like. And that's what we tend to do as adults. If you look at children when they have a feeling, I've mentioned Rumi today, my daughter, so using that as an example, when Rumi has a feeling, she feels it fully, expresses it fully. And then usually within a matter of minutes, that feeling is subsided. Certainly the intensity of it has subsided. Anyone who's got a toddler or a young one who's had a tantrum, it's pretty intense. But given time, and often if we can, as parents, we hold space, the intensity of that experience subsides. Now emotions may still be present, and as they get a little bit older, and as we get a little bit older, we tend to then think about it, which keeps us in that feeling or that experience for longer. And some of us do that for years, 10, 20, 30 years. But if we can shine the light of awareness on those feelings, both the good, the bad, the ugly, if we can shine the light of awareness objectively, then usually what happens is those feelings begin to dissipate and subside. Because in the light of awareness, in the light of consciousness, it's really difficult for fear to remain present.